Look what I just did. Hi guys, it's Lana here. Oh my god, I hate my voice so much, but I just really miss the whole summertime, and I'm worried about putting it in the start of my videos because of copyright. So just bear with me. For right now, you just get me singing. Today, I am finally going to be reviewing the Denman brush. You know what? I felt happy with the brushes that I had, so I didn't want to go out and purchase a new brush. However, I recently saw a video by Jamie Jo here on YouTube, but she compared the Tangle Teezer in her hair to the Denman brush in her hair for styling. I use a Tangle Teezer for styling, and what she said was that if you use a Tangle Teezer for detangling and styling, then that's great, it's good, but if you just want to step it up a notch, then the Denman brush she prefers for styling. But the Denman can't detangle, so it like loses points there. But I was thinking, do you know what, if I can knock up my hair game, then why not? Like, if I can take it to the next level, then why not try it? And also I thought because my hair type is different to Jamie's, maybe you guys would be interested to see that perhaps. Sorry, that was like kind of rambling, but I just wanted to like explain why I'm making this video. Anyway, these are the brushes that I have. So this is the Tangle Teezer wet detangling hairbrush for all hair type. This is like a brand new one, but I have another one. I just want you guys to like be able to see the box and everything. It's primarily a detangler. They never said it was a styling brush. It's a detangler, but I've been using it for styling as well because I just think it's good. This one is the Denman D3. It's the 7-row classic styling brush. I just wanted to make sure that I got the brush right because there's like been times where I thought I brought the right brush. I've seen other people using this as well, the 7-row. So you've seen the box for this now. I'm going to bring out the one that I've actually used in the past, and it's this one. This is the Tangle Teezer. This is the one that I actually use. I just need to put on some styling products because I don't have anything right now. So I'm using the Only Curls Hydrating Curl Cream and the Only Curls Curl Enhancing Gel. First of all, I'm going in with the cream, the Hydrating Curl Cream. This is the Only Curls Enhancing Curl Gel with avocado and cocoa oil. No sulfates, no silicones, no mineral oil, no parabens, no paraffin, and no animal testing. And it's just another really good product. Squeeze that on. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie this side away quickly so that it doesn't dry out too quickly. Okay, so for this first side, I'm gonna open up the Denman brush and we're gonna use this first, just because I'm really excited. Like, there's no real reason why I'm choosing which one goes first and which goes second. This is a nice brush. Like, you can tell this is a good quality brush. They're proud of their brand, Denman. It actually says it on this side like embossed and this side in gold, and then you have the two Denman logos right there. I think best results like hold it at an angle and kind of just bring it down. Oh my god, this brush is like, I can see why you don't detangle with this brush. I feel like this brush has grip, like it grips onto your hair. Oh, it's like pulling, what the heck? Okay, let's go again. And then scrunch. I think that's like really important, just like check which way your hair naturally wants to curl in, which pattern. As far as I can tell, my hair wants to come out this way. So that's how I'm gonna do it with the Denman brush. I'm not gonna try to like change which direction my hair wants to go in. So we're gonna go just lightly and then bring it down and see what we get. Ooh. Ooh. Wait, why is this one? I've got one that wants to go the other way. Why do you want to go the other way? Huh? Okay, let's try and like make that section a bit smaller. Maybe we can do a bit of a shake. Oh no, I lost my place. This is why you should section. See how it like just does this? Like just puts your hair into that kind of ringlet. Okay, so we're just gonna shake. My way is to have the pegs facing away. Slowly twist them to face you so that you're twisting the hair, and run it down all of the hair like that. So we have like one big juicy one there and like a few smaller ones. We're gonna do it this like the full Denman technique way, where the pegs are facing up like this, and we just pretty much keep it straight until we get to the end. It's juicy still. It's like magic. Look what I just did. Look at that. I never have that level of juice in my top layers. What? And we're gonna do that exact same thing again, but we're gonna use the Tangle Teezer. For this one, I think I'm just gonna like section my hair a little bit so that you guys can see more clearly what's going on. Take the Tangle Teezer. I'm gonna try and do it in exactly the same way that I just did with the Denman. So already you can feel this one like detangles more smoothly. I'm not like encountering tangles and things with this. I mean, this just did a good job, just like that. So we're just gonna go out flat. We're gonna put the pressure on this side. Just gonna put it down like, are you kidding me? Hello? Scrunching is absolutely necessary. Boom. Why do I feel like the Tangle Teezer is doing a better job? Is it just because I know what I'm doing now? Oh, we lost a bit. See, are the pegs that long? Let's compare how long the pegs are. I guess the pegs are just a few millimeters longer on this. Literally, yeah, I'd say like maybe half a centimeter longer, if that, on this one, but I feel like it is making a bit of a difference actually. Right, I think I'm gonna leave it there for now. What's going on here? What's this? It's just shaking out. Okay, the Denman side is already starting to dry a little bit, so it's looking just a little bit puffier than this side. I'm not going to go in with my diffuser just yet. I think most of you guys know that I have started diffusing like really regularly now. Like before, I never ever used to diffuse because I used to think it made my hair frizzy. But now that I use the Dyson Supersonic, it doesn't make my hair frizzy. But I can make it less frizzy if I just wait a little bit. Usually I just jump straight in with the diffuser these days. But I just want to give these results just the best chance of looking as defined and drying as naturally as they can. So I think I'm going to leave it for about an hour. So it's been like a while. It's been a minute since I've had to have one of these days of just like having wet hair like this. And then I'll diffuse and we'll see. We'll see what I think. We'll see what you guys think, more importantly. Hi guys, so it's been a bit more than an hour. My sister came over with my nephew who has a cold and we went to the shop and just did a few things. I've just basically been letting my hair air dry for that time. So now I can show you what my hair looks like air dried. So if you remember, this is the Denman side and this is my nephew. He's still downstairs. He's kind of poorly, so he's a bit cryy. There's a lot of ringlets on both sides. I think there's like a chunk of hair in this side that maybe didn't have as much product on it. I can see kind of like at the ends just where the hair is a bit fluffier. I think it's more to do with the lack of product than just like the technique not working. But on this side we have like, I don't know what to call these. These are more like tunnel ringlets. I'm afraid of what I'm risking if I fall. Well, I don't remember what the tune is. That whole patch right there just didn't even do it. So I'm going to be using the Dyson. I'm not sure whether to use any heat because you have the option to have it on the lowest heat or just like no heat. So I'm going to have it on the lowest heat, which is this one. So over here I've got some serious ringlets. This side I have them, but I have like a lot more kind of juicy ones too. But I also have some that really didn't do anything. So I don't really have anything that didn't do anything on this side. Everybody did something on this side. So we have to look at the ends of my hair. Ooh, it's a tough call. Why do I feel like I like this side? Like this side just stands out to me more as having like more uniformity, like there's more curling at the ends, whereas this side there's a bit more like less uniformity, you know, like some things are really popping and some things are not really popping, and it's kind of just making a bit of a mismatch, right? Is that just me? Definition transcends layers. Even underneath, oh my gosh, I'm shook. Even underneath, we are like defined the whole way through. Okay, we're not doing bad over here either. Okay, now I'm just gonna try and like separate my hair a bit. So I'm just gonna like shake it like this. This side kind of looks a bit like flat up top, like the curls didn't really start until further down, whereas at least on this side like the curls seem to be starting a bit higher up, which I really like. Like these results are fine. Like if this was another time I would have been super happy with these results. Like if this had been yesterday I would have been like, yeah, great, cool. Like we have some really nice curls here, but I personally, I just feel like this side is better. I feel like there's more definition. I feel like it looks smoother. Like there's just like more clarity on this side. Like you know what's going on that side. Okay, so we have the Denman brush this side. We have the Tangle Teezer brush this side. You guys tell me what you think. I think I prefer the Denman side. I kind of really was a bit biased towards Tangle Teezer, maybe just because I've used it before. And, you know, I spent so long thinking that it was good enough that I didn't want to like have to admit that actually it's not good. Leave a comment, tell me which side you prefer. Also tell me whether you think it's worth it. But I feel like at the same time, if you really don't have a brush, if you don't even have a detangling brush right now, then just stick with the Tangle Teezer, because this cannot detangle. Like something about this construction, it's very grippy. Like this red bit right here seems to have like quite a little grip and like resistance. So when you're pulling this through your hair, it's kind of like tugging back. It like pulls, and then instead of detangling, it will just like rip it out. It would be like, I'm a styler, I'm not a detangler, get out of my way, and it just rips through it. Whereas this is a detangler, it's a bit more like baby, and it will just be like, oh, excuse me, I'm just trying to like detangle. Or if there's tangles, it's more likely to just like slip through. Instead of ripping it, it's gonna slip. Whereas this one won't slip, it will rip because of the grip. Why is there so many rhymes? If you have one of these that you are already like happy with, then fine, keep using it. If you just have like an extra £7.50 that you just want to contribute to your hair routine, like you just want to take things to the next level, then get this. But this is strictly a styler. This is a detangler and a styler, so even the result is not as good. It's kind of okay because you get a 2-in-1. It's kind of like, what do they call it? Jack of all trades, master of none. That's what this is. Like you go to a buffet, everything's gonna be all right, but nothing's gonna be the best. So that's kind of what this is. It's like a 2-in-1. It's a detangler and a styler. This is just a styler, and it's the best one in my opinion. I feel like if you're already doing the most for your curly hair game, why not just spend an extra £7.50? I mean, you probably spend more on like the shampoo and conditioner, right? Just remember that what I say is opinion, not fact. I personally prefer this for my hair. You might not like it for your hair, but if your hair is very similar to mine, maybe just a bit curlier or a bit less curly, then you might really like it as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications, because you will not see my videos again if you hit subscribe and don't turn on your notifications. Get me on Instagram, which is @LANA'S if you want to see the life of Lana Summer, and get me on TikTok if you feel like it, because not gonna lie, I've been blowing up a little bit over there. I had a couple of viral videos which I wasn't expecting, so I'm like kind of new to the whole TikTok game, but it's fun. It's so fun. I like it. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.